Welcome to Ms. Shaw's Math Learning videos for Tuesday. All of your work can be shown on a piece of paper. Objective: what will I learn today? Today, I will count and name a set or group of objects from 1 to 5. Teaks K.2b. Look at the slides for the numbers 1 through 5. On the picture, you can click on the pictures on the whiteboard to see YouTube videos about that number. Here's an example. This slide shows several different things about the number 1. It has the number 1. It has the number name 1. It has a dotted line for 1, and it shows one counter on a 10 frame. You can click on either the music note, the book, and the pencil, or all three, to watch an extra YouTube video about the number 1. For example, click on the music note,
Monster Math.
you will be taken to a video for the number 1. If you click on the book, you will be taken to a video that shows the number 1 on a 10 frame. If you click on the pencil, you will be taken to a video on how to write the number 1. So you can go through the numbers 1 through 5 and watch the videos. Tuesday's activity is included in activity 1. What you're going to do, you're going to look at the pictures of the sets of objects in the next few slides. You're going to count the objects. You're going to write the number of objects on a piece of paper. If it helps you to draw a picture with the number that shows the picture on the screen, you can do that. Here's the first one. What number is this? Count the objects and write the number. So you would count the objects and you would write the number. In this example, I would count 1, 2, 3 soccer balls, and I would write the number 3. What number is this? Count the objects and write. This is your object. What number is this? Count the objects and write. What number is this? Count the objects and write. What number is this? Count the objects and write.